Guys, welcome back again. This is Tiger Farms React. It's a new series we've been running for the past few days now, and trust me, we have a very interesting video for you today. In this video, you're going to learn how you can actually start tomato farm from the comfort of your house. Let's see what we have today. Wow, this is quite interesting. So fleshy. Come on, this is very innovative, growing tomato out of a very little space, provided you have enough organic matter to support the growth. Wow. Interesting. This is quite easy to actually carry out because it's actually handy. You can do this, something you can actually do on your own, construct on your own. You don't need to spend a lot of money doing this. So within a little space, you can actually put something like this, and then you have your food grown. Okay, it's filling it up with compost and the soil. In this case, you must, of course, it's advisable to use organic soil, which is also loamy soil, which is rich in organic matter, and the compost to grow your vegetables. Wow. Okay, this is actually pulling them from nursery. Okay, directly from nursery. Okay. All right. So please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please why not click the subscribe button and turn on your notification that each time we upload videos like this, interesting videos like this, you're going to be the first to actually see. Alright, thank you. Let's continue. This is quite interesting. Okay, it's done filling in. Okay, it's time to add water. Time to add water. Okay, I think it's about to hang. About to hang the containers on the wall. It's time to time them up. Okay. Okay. All right. Directly on the wall, so you can actually grow your fruit or your crops regardless of how little your space is. Whether you have the space or not, you can actually grow your food directly on the wall, and are producing massively 15 days later. Okay. Guys, this is interesting. You can actually grow your tomatoes this way. You can actually grow your tomatoes. Okay. Okay, this is how to supply water. He's supplying the water in a very unique way. Okay, so that there will be exchange of gas. Okay, this is interesting. Which means he has to refill these containers probably on daily basis, or maybe 2 days interval, but I doubt this should be about daily basis. 40 days later, wow, is a month plus. They are already flowering. They are flowering already. Wow. This is quite interesting. Because they've grown so big in a space of 40 days. They've grown massively. That's a 2 months and a half. That's a 2 months and 2 weeks. And now he's actually staking them up because they're about to bear fruit. So it's good he supports the plant to avoid falling off. And of course, they're going to bear fruit soon, so he needs to support them and tie them to the bamboo sticks. What an interesting way to grow your crops or to grow your food. Wow. And that's a tomato fruit over there. Okay. Time to cut off the excess leaves, so that the fruit will have enough nutrients. What it's doing is actually trimming off excess leaves so that the tomato plant can actually utilize enough nutrient to produce a big yield, a massive yield. You can see he has trimmed off excess leaves, and tomato has to produce more. The fruits are big. The fruits are getting big and big on a daily basis. Wow. Hmm? 3 months and 2 weeks. Oh. They came out nice. Oh my God, you can imagine. It yielded massively. Wow. Wow, this is massive. This is massive. This is what I'm talking about. And the fruits are very healthy. The fruits are quite healthy as well, not just producing massively, they are also very healthy. So in 3 months and 2 weeks, you should have your tomatoes ready. Basically 3 months, your tomatoes are ready. Now you can actually harvest. That's one thing. You can actually harvest now. And remember, there are some that are yet to ripen. So as he's harvesting, others are ripening, he's harvesting, and so on. Probably he can grow these all year round. And equally preserve them. It's not just about growing, you can preserve them, and then there will be food all year round. So that's the thing. That's the idea. So one can, regardless of how little your space is, you can actually produce all year round. Okay, it's about to harvest there. It's actually harvesting at the moment. Wow. Nice. As he's harvesting, the green ones are ripening. Probably in a week time or 2 weeks time, he's going to harvest the rest. Interesting. Wow. Wow. I mean, they are good to go at the moment, so. So guys, that's what we're talking about. You can actually start your homegrown food today. So why I'm sharing some of these videos is actually to inspire you, because we are already doing this in our Stargrow farm. So we are launching a new YouTube in this new year. We are launching a new YouTube very soon, whereby we'll show you how you can actually practically grow this food. As you are washing them, we are also going to grow them. So this is to inspire you to actually start your own homegrown food, your own garden today. Grow your food, and then you spend less on groceries. Thank you very much. This is Stargrow Farms, and we are on Stargrow Farms React. It's a series we are running. We started this a few days ago, and then we intend to keep them going on. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.